Hi, welcome to my kitchen again. Today we're going to be making Peruvian ceviche with shrimp. And we're going to start off with some ginger. I probably grinded up maybe half pound of ginger, and I'm going to finish grinding this with a fine grater so it get real smooth in there. And it takes you a little bit of time, but you'll get it done. You get the idea. Okay, since then, I juiced about 5 lemons. I added some lemon juice to our ginger mix. A little bit of habanero juice, a little bit of pepper flakes, salt, and it tastes really, really good. I'll taste it again. Oh yeah, coming right along.
Typical.
And I got my pot boiling. Usually you're supposed to put the shrimp in there and let the vinegar and the lemon juice cook it, but I don't want to do that. I don't like that. I'm gonna steam it real quick, chop them up, and throw them in here. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we got our juice. We spiked that up. It's got vinegar and all that stuff in it. Then we put we're getting ready to put some of this in there, and we slice some thin red onions, green jalapenos, green onions, habaneros, garlic, and cilantro. And we got our shrimps cooking there. I don't want to overcook them, but I just want them just to cook. I don't want to put raw shrimp in this. Okay, the shrimps, I didn't bring them to a boil, but I got them to where I know they're cooked, but I don't want to overcook them, because when you overcook them, they turn like rubber. But now I'm icing them down, and they're gonna be cool. And they'll be ready in a few minutes. I'm waiting on one more ingredient, and as soon as we get it, we'll finish the product. We'll see you then. Okay, I took out 4 shrimp. Hey, dude. Did you kick my car? I'm chopping these shrimp up, and what I'm gonna do is throw them in the sauce, and it's gonna give it a nice creamy taste. Or creamy look, anyways. So throw that in there. And then you grind it. And now I'm going to taste it. Bam. Very, very good. Okay, we got 1 stick of lemongrass, and I'm going to put it in the mortar and pestle and get some in there. Be careful, don't get it all in there. And then smash it. The reason why I'm smashing it, so it'll be smooth and a good texture, and won't have all the taste. This will take a few minutes. I'll see you when I finish it. I got it down to smooth, and I put a little salt in there. I use the salt as an abrasive, so it's got salt in there, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. And then I'll put away the mortar and pestle. Lemongrass is always good. It gives it that extra lemony taste. I don't know if you like lemony taste, but I do. And there you go. I'll see you at the next step. Okay, I'm putting the juice of 4 limes in there. I cut them in half. And what I first do is this, to break up all the juice. And then I cut them in half, and then I squeeze them. And then I take a spoon and get all the meat, all the pulp. And that'll taste real good in there. You get the idea. Okay, we chopped up our shrimp that was chilled, and I'm just throwing it in our mixture. Now, I don't know if you can see what I did. This is a double bowl, and I put ice so everything stays chilled, and that's just cool. And I'm putting all this in there just like that. Okay. Back again with a spoon. Mix that up. You could eat it just like that, but we're not. Okay. We're gonna put some garlic, not all. We're gonna taste it. Put about half. Habanero peppers, chopped fine. Put about that much. Cilantro. Green onions. And jalapenos. I'll put it all. I like jalapenos. Just like that. Okay. Now we got some of this Peruvian hito. You want to put that in there? Now we're going to give it a mix. Okay, I think we need a little bit more cilantro. This side of that. We have kids. Let's taste that. Back again for a taste. Oh my God, that's excellent. Excellent. A little bit spicy, but very, very good. So what, can you handle it?
I'll try my best. Wow.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
That's
I'm gonna
not
add a little
normal.
bit more garlic.
That's really good.
It's not exactly Peruvian. This is my version of it. Pitmaster style. And we didn't add our red onions, but that's gonna go in the plate when you plate it. We'll see you in a minute.
This is really great. A lot of flavor, a lot of spice.
Perfect sourness, perfect lemon taste. Really fresh.
Really great. You don't get this in a restaurant, ever.
Did you ever go to a restaurant and get something like that?
Never.
No sir.
Really good.
From 1 to 10, what do you give it?
Okay.
Full time.
Right on.
High five.
All right.